They say freedom is the greatest gift of life, but most people will live and die without ever tasting it, because the prison they live in is invisible. It has no walls, no guards, no chains, only habits and fear. You wake up, check your phone, chase validation, run through the same day again and again, and you call it living. But deep down, you feel it, that quiet scream inside your chest, that whisper that says, "This isn't me." Socrates once said, "The unexamined life is not worth living." He didn't mean you should question the world. He meant you should question yourself, your patterns, your fears, your obedience. Because the strongest prison is not built of stone, it's built of comfort. And every time you avoid discomfort, you add another bar to your cage. Your mind is addicted to safety. It would rather die in routine than live in uncertainty. That's why when you try to change, it screams, "You can't. You'll fail. Stay where you are." But these voices aren't your enemies. They are signals, proof that you're crossing the border between who you are and who you're meant to become. Jesus said, "You will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." But truth is a destroyer before it's a healer. It burns illusions. It breaks comfort. It leaves you standing in front of the mirror, face to face with a version of you that's been hiding behind excuses. That's where transformation begins, when you stop blaming the world and start rebuilding the self. Freedom isn't peace. It's war against your own mind, against every lazy thought, every comforting lie, every whisper telling you to wait until tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. There is only now, the moment you decide to burn the cage, break the pattern, shatter the doubt. Let the pain forge you. Let the scars remind you. You lived. You are not made to survive quietly. You are made to rise loudly. And when you walk out of that mental cage, you realize something powerful. The world hasn't changed. You have. You start to see differently, think differently, act differently. You no longer react, you choose. And that's real control. Not over the world, but over yourself. This is Mental Control, Episode 4, The Cage Within. The door was never locked. It was waiting for you to wake up.